And we've got a big update, a breaking update on the cash villain hunt that the government is currently mounting across the country. Over 60,000 accounts with approximately 1 crore rupees each have been found at banks, and they will be getting show cause notices from the Financial Intelligence Unit. The unit is looking at levying a hefty penalty on many of these banks which have failed to raise the red flag and report to the government about the existence of these accounts. Despite huge cash deposits, the Financial Intelligence Unit has found weak compliance norms by several banks. So the story is very simple. The fat cats with over 1 crore of rupees in their accounts, unaccounted for, get away, while the common Aam Aadmi and Aam Aurat suffers from lack of access to their own hard-earned saving. Let's go straight across to India Today's Devina Gupta for more on this. Devina, the hunt for the dirt is continuing. 60,000 accounts apparently.
Absolutely, Shiv, and there could be even more, because we just had a word from the Economic Affairs Advisor who said that now suspicious transaction reports that's being generated, or the STRs that are called, from the bank. It's an internal audit that the banks are doing and sending out these reports to the regulatory agencies. He's also, without mincing words, said that there will be regulatory punishment to all those who have found errant. So regulatory agencies, including Enforcement Directorate, the Income Tax Department, is working in collusion with the local RBI officers as well to ensure that any suspicious transaction are spotted. Now, let's tell our viewers what a suspicious transaction. When you deposit over 1 crore money in your account, it's automatically flagged off by the internal bank systems. And these are the transactions that are then reviewed by agencies, including a local RBI officer and a bank's internal officer, to ensure that these suspicious transactions, that there is no suspicion in that transaction. So if it's a 1 crore above account, then they have to follow all the KYC norms. Else there's a report generated, which is then reviewed by the RBI, sent to Income Tax Department and ED at a higher level. And that's where we're seeing the crackdown happening.
What kind of penalties, should people who operate these accounts or these banks be expected to be slapped with?
Well, that's an interesting question, Shiv, because when we also spoke to the Economic Affairs Advisor whether there will be a notice sent to all these banks, specifically in cases where repeated incidents are happening in one banks, whether they will be served notice or not, he has said that regulatory agencies will take note of it. I was also speaking to the Axis Bank management just a short while back before I came in for the reporting, but they have ensured that internally all the bank officials have been suspended who've been found errant. They are now being handed over to the IT agencies for further probing, because these are the accounts that are linked to businessmen, politicians, and that's the big fish that the regulatory agencies need to catch, while the management of the bank says that we are committed to following the norms laid out by the government.
Thanks, Devina, for getting us that very important piece of breaking news here on India Today.